Hey guys, so an intraday trader got in touch with me. This trader had a specific process for entering a trade after identifying a trading opportunity. So he would use price pullback to an exponential moving average to enter his trades. And he was doing this process manually and wanted to automate this so that he could focus on identifying other trading opportunities. So I helped him build an Excel tool to automate this, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So this is the Excel tool, and as you can see, there are three tables in this Excel tool. The first table is the contract details table. In this table, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. The second table is the market data table. In this table, Excel will fetch live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in this first table. So fields like bid, ask, last, day high, day low, previous close, and the current position. And the third table is the EMA entry parameter table. In this table, we specify the parameters of the trade entry. So the first field is action, whether it's a buy or a sell. Next, we have the trade quantity. Next, we have the bar size. So what bar size we want to use for EMA calculation, whether it's 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. Next, we have bar duration, that is how much data history we want to request for computing the EMA. Next, we have EMA period, that is the period of the EMA we want to compute. Next, we have the transmit flag. So value of 1 would mean that we want to transmit the order directly to the exchange. And a value of 0 would mean that we just want to create the order in the TWS window and we will manually transmit the order. Now I will show you this tool in live action, and you will notice that as soon as I click on this add entry button, an order is placed at the EMA computed at the latest fully formed bar. And as each new bar is formed, EMA is recomputed and the order gets automatically adjusted if required. And this keeps happening until the order gets filled. Now let's say we want to enter long position in Reliance when the price pulls back to 15 period moving average. So let's click on this add entry button. And as soon as we do that, the order is placed at the EMA. It now gets adjusted to 1391.90. It's now adjusted to 1392. So this adjustment will keep happening until the order gets filled. It's now at 1392.2. One three nine two point three. One three nine two point four. And we got filled. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.